I'm home. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, I think it's time we talk about the birds and the bees.
Let me see them. Oh my gosh. Look at those things. Look at them. You are behind the others. They all have their molars. They all have their molars. You just got the front ones. What is that for, huh? What is that for? Ouch. Ouch. That hurts. You're biting too hard. You can chew on me, but you have to be nice. You gotta be nice.
And where is the floof? Or where is the floof? Where is the floof? Or where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof? There it is.
It's coming. You don't gotta do that. It's coming out itself. No, you don't. No!
Вот зачем тебе сахар, а? Вот зачем тебе сахар? Дурак. Зачем ты разорвал пакет?
Come on, pretty please. Please? I said please, so you have to come up here. Thank you, yay. Here. Here, you put your head down and I'll pet you. Come on. Oh, I always gotta go so far away. Everyone's missed you, Ghost.
If you've got a cat on your lap and you need to get up, don't even try, 'cause that is illegal.
Yeah. So cute.
Hi. Do you want brushies? Do you want brushies? Yeah? You do want brushies? There you go. There you go. I know you probably want me to hold you, huh? I know, I'll hold you in a minute.
Excuse me, but your tongue is out. Yeah, but your tongue is out. What is it doing? You put your tongue.
Bang, bang, bang. Help.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr.
So they think that they want to go outside for some reason. So Kitty's first snow. Do you like it? Oh, I didn't know she was gonna go out. Oh my god. Look. It's so thick. I didn't know she's gonna go out there. I thought she would be like this one. I don't even know where she went. Probably went hiding. Oh, you're right there. Do you like it? She's just chilling. She loves it out there. I'm just gonna throw my other cat. See what happens. I don't think she likes it. I'm sorry.
These are human treats. You're not getting a buffet today.
I want to see what she does. Oh no, babes, it's okay.
You smell it, so she knows it's not real. Or she's like, quack, 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 quack. Not real, is it?
Stop crying. I'm literally gonna start crying. It's not real.
What did you get?
You're crazy.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh my god! Still have your carrot. I have your carrot. Ah! Carrot. Ah!
Wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it. No!
Ladies and gentlemen, in the right corner, weighing in at 12 pounds, wearing white gloves and brown trunks, Maisie. And in the left corner, wearing browner trunks and also white gloves, Willow. Let's get ready. Is this all you guys do? This is all you do. Great.
I love you. Now you set my soul on fire.
My arms are small, my legs are small, my feet are small, my head's small, my eyes are small, my eyebrows small, my nose small, my mouth small.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Hello? Moose? Moose?
Can you talk? Stop! No. No. Tom, no. Tom. Tom. Good. No. No, Tom. Tom, no! No! Athena, are you very talkative? Thank you, sweet girl.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay, relax. Let me put the. I can't get the foot.
Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy and girl.
Stop it. Get away, you psycho. Stop. Now you're about to bite me. Ow! Fuck!
Doctor, there's something wrong with my cat.
I'm afraid he has the chunks. Quick, we must do surgery. Hold him down.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, we'll make an incision right here. Yes. There's. Oh, he's still awake! Quick, get the paddles.